My name is Emalee Ousley, and I am a master's student in the biology department at Sac State. I was looking at becoming a master's student at Sac State. At the time I was working full-time as a lab tech, and I wanted to pursue my master's. And I've always been interested in marine biology. That's kind of what my background was in my bachelor's. So marine microbes was what I wanted. And so when I went and talked to Dr. Gleason, who was more of a molecular ecology focus, and she told me about this project that she had about marine microbes and the gut microbiome, I just kind of jumped on immediately and we clicked, and so I just ran with it. My research project is about the relationship between the gut microbiome and the host thermal tolerance of the economically important red abalone. So what I'm doing is looking at how the gut of juvenile red abalone plays a role into their survival during seasonal warming events called El Niños. I'm from Sacramento, and I was a little worried about research opportunities at Sac State. And then when I started looking into the master's program, which I judged a little from being from Sacramento and not going to school here, I was completely wrong. And the research that is done here is really cool and really great. And I loved seeing that this type of stuff is being done. And so personally, I've done had to do a lot more problem solving and a lot more technology building and stuff like that, and learned a lot more skills during this program than I did in my undergrad. And I think that doing hands-on research is the best way to learn, at least for me. And so I think that the Sac State research program is probably the best place that I could be right now. Research in general, especially scientific research, is stop, start, challenge after challenge, a lot of failure. You fail at everything you do, and then you get it right once. That's the nature of scientific research. But I think the thing about that is that at least for me in my research project, I couldn't figure out how to structure my DNA. I couldn't figure out how to do the PCR assay. I couldn't figure out how to do like all these things, and that got me doubting myself. And I think the thing is, you just have to realize that failure is not, and failing at these challenges is not a reflection on you as a person or you as a student. It is an opportunity to take that and use the knowledge you already have to build off of to produce a better outcome, I guess. I think the number one is to not doubt yourself and not think that other people out there know more than you and deserve them more than you do and deserve these opportunities more than you do. Personally, I get caught up in that a lot, where I'm like, well, this person's a lot smarter. They deserve this a lot more. I don't even compare. I don't even compete. There's no reason I should be in this. And then but that keeps you from doing things. And so I feel like once you realize that, like, no one knows what they're doing, no one knows what's going on, as long as you try your hardest and are interested in what you're doing, you'll succeed at it.